All right, Fred Burrows with Plumbers, and what we're doing here is we had a valve replacement job, and you can see these old valves under the kitchen. We had to redo all of this. So right now what I'm going to show you is she does not have the dishwasher hooked in, does not use it, does not want it hooked in. So we've got new quarter turn valves. I'm turning this on to the faucet, turning this on to the filtering system. You'll see this works. These valves work great. Off like a light switch. On. These are all quarter turn valves. That's how you do it. So for insurance purposes, we're doing this video report. I just want to show you everything is in tight. There's no chance of this not being completely tight and free of leaks. Go underneath here, show you. We've got new supply line connections right here, and we've had to adapt to that old copper right there with compression fitting. You don't want to sweat onto that old copper. It's thin and it's soft rolled copper. So this is all looking good. Everything on, no leaks. That's the kitchen. Next thing I'm going to show you is our laundry. Here's our laundry tub. Right here's our old valves. And you can see same thing here. I'm going to turn these on. We have no leaks. These are on nice and tight. Nothing leaking. New valves. That's the laundry. I'm going to go over to the master bathroom next and show you that on this video report. Hey guys, I'm doing my video report here. Can I squeeze in just for a second?
Let me put paper on if you want.
Okay, it's okay. As long as I can see. Right here we've got our toilet supply. Once again, on there, real tight. Quarter turn valve. No leaks, new supply line as well. See, we've got no leaks. Everything's on here nice, tight, solid. You can't pull it off. Just done correctly. So that's the master toilet. We go under here. You can see we've got the hot and cold on to the master lavatory sink. And he's leak testing this one because he just finished it. You can see quarter turn valves, both in the on position, nice and tight. Nice and tight. The supply lines are in there nice and tight. No leaks showing up. Off. On. Let's go over to the guest bathroom where we've installed valves as well. And we got a crowd in here, so I'm going to go this way. And more of the same over here. No leaks. Everything's on here solid. See, put the paper since it's dark in here. This video doesn't have a light on it. That's the hot, that's the cold side right there. There's supply lines as well. And let's go over to the guest toilet. Same thing here. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Off. On. Beautifully done. These are all the valves that have been replaced. I'm going to attach this video report to the customer's invoice for insurance purposes.